Hello everyone. Uh, Good to see you back again after a long time. So today we are showing you a variety of collection in Victorian uncuts diamond jewelry. So this is the fresh collection and customer orders we have in Victorian uncuts diamond jewelry. Basically, this entire collection is again Pachi collection. So as you are aware, Pachi collection means there is no wax studding within the products. So this is entirely Pachi collection, but this is done in 18 karat gold, and the gold is polished so that the highlight is on the gemstones and the diamonds which are used in the products. So in that way, this is a very unique collection which gives a traditional look on your bridal wear costumes, and also it is more like a royal, because in entire of all this collection of Victorian collections, the emeralds are very well highlighted. So as you see, this choker, it is done in just gold weight of 82 grams. This is because this is done in 18 karat gold. So the gold is also very minimal used, and the highlight is on the diamonds and flat diamonds which are used in the jewelry. So this is a very lightweight jhumka in the Victorian collection. This is done in just 22 grams. And as you see, all the quality of emeralds used is very excellent quality. There is no blacks anywhere in the emerald. It's very finely sorted out, each of the emeralds, and then they are used in the collection. This is a long bridal harem, and this is done in as you see, it gives an impression of around 200 to 250 grams as a weight in the gold, but this is done in just 190 grams. So the prong setting is also different in this type of Pachi work. It's like every prong is like a tiger prong setting. So that gives again a traditional look. We have used clean emerald beads with KC pearls everywhere. The shade of the pearls is also creamish, so it gives a very beautiful look. This is one more customer order wherein she had asked for uncut diamond bangle with emerald. So you must have seen this type of collection or photos, pictures in diamonds with emeralds. So we have made the same in uncut diamonds with emeralds. As you see, the emerald quality is excellent quality. So as you see, the entire emeralds used are of very fine quality. What you see is what you get when you shop with KothariJewelry.com. I request you to please send us a WhatsApp query on 9970393931 to Neeraj Kothari to get the product details. Please take a screenshot of the jewelry which you like, and please WhatsApp to me, Neeraj Kothari, on 9970393931 to get the product details and pricing. Or you can even WhatsApp to Ashish Kothari on 90212-08291. So we are very well experienced in exporting of gold and diamond, Polki diamond jewelry to USA, and all the shipments will be safe and securely delivered to your residence in USA. I would like to mention a point here. Since your payments are in USD, GST would not be applicable to the exports to USA. So this is one more Jhumki collection. So we are zooming in each and every product so that you see in detail the finishing, the stone quality, the pearl quality which has been used. Every care is taken when we ship out the products. Just that, not the front look, even the back screws and everything of every product is checked before we ship out the products. So you must be wondering why we have kept this box here. It's like our entire jewelry usually would, all the Polki diamond the jewelry would come in this kind of boxes. These are cotton padded boxes, and this is highly recommended for Polki diamond jewelry. So you will receive all your shipments in this type of Polki diamond in this type of cotton padded boxes from KothariJewelry.com. This is a beautiful Puligoro, and I would like to mention a point here. We use only artificial plastic nails to imitate a Puligoro, but as you can see the workmanship, there is nothing else apart from gemstones and gold used in the product. So you should feel 100% secure about your purchases when you shop with us. You get the complete breakdown detail of the flat diamonds and pearls and emerald beads used in the product. Please WhatsApp us the product picture, and we will get back to you with the pricing detail. So this pendant is 27 grams. And it will look really beautiful with your black diamonds chain. I hope all of you must be having a black diamonds chain by now. This is a choker. So with it is around 75 grams, and still it gives a very good look on your neck. It gives as if it's completely covering the neck. Currently this is also in trend. So these are like 1 inch stud tops. So these are also in trend. Again, here we have a choker. As you see in most of the collections, the emeralds are little light shaded. So when you see a light shaded emerald, mostly those are Russian emeralds which are used. And this emerald choker with a 3-liner or 4-liner emerald beads, it will give a very good royal look. Here is again beautiful Nakshi work of peacock necklace in Victorian collection. So this is very broad, and to its weight, it really gives a very good impression. It is just 99 grams in gold weight. So I request you to please log on to KothariJewelry.com, KothariJewelry.com, and please check our collections online. Feel free to get in touch with us on WhatsApp, and we will reply to your every query. Please allow us time of around 8 to 12 hours. So this is again a beautiful neck choker with a big and broad emerald bead at the center. As you have seen in entire uncut diamond jewelry collection, the flat diamonds used are not having any kind of cracks or anything or black spots in between them. So they are properly sorted out, and then we make a final selection of the flat diamond pieces, and then they are studded into jewelry. So utmost importance is again always given to the quality of gemstones which is studded into jewelry. I would like to bring to your attention this beautiful choker. As you can see, all the beads are very light, so they like a fluorescence look they have. These are all Russian emerald beads. I thank you all for watching this live video. Please log online on www.kothariJewelry.com, and please connect with me, Neeraj Kothari or Ashish Kothari, on our WhatsApp numbers. and let us know if you have any product queries or any queries related to shipping and delivery to USA. Thank you very much. Namaskar.